Helping hands across the city this weekend, people showing what it really means to be good neighbors.
KETV News Watch 7's Aaron Natalicio has more.
It was a day for digging out.
I hope this is the last snowstorm of the season.
And a day for helping out for families across the metro.
I lift this up. Can you get underneath? There you go. Good girl.
Leanne Crockett got some help from her friend, 10-year-old Gracie Penrod in Dundee.
Well, we've started cleaning up and we've done part of the driveway and we've already been for a walk.
Gracie, eager to assist.
Because I get to see all the ice fall off, I guess.
Over in Exarban, Lois Handley shoveled for her mother.
She's 92, so she doesn't shovel anymore.
But Handley says the favor isn't always that easy.
I'm 60-some years old, so it's kind of hard for me to do this, too.
She says some assistance would be nice.
All right, Lois, so you said you needed some help, so why don't you hand me your shovel?
Happily.
All right, let's go.
I'll just think of Hawaii while you're doing that.
Oh, me too.
And she put me to work. These Omahans picking up where snowplows left off. Bracing themselves for the next snowstorm of the season. In Omaha, Aaron Natalicio, KETV News Watch 7.